Well, what is data science? It's it's a science and it's a process of extracting, of studying data. So you get data, you study data, you extract meaningful insights that would help business make decisions. So there are different industries, different different sectors that require data analysis to draw information. A lot of times information is hidden in data, inside data, but you need to explore the data in order to bring out those information. For example, if you have a well and the well is declining, well production is declining, in some cases you may not really know why it's declining, or you say, let's take it out from oil and gas. For example, you have a business and you have noticed that your sales are declining. You wouldn't know why the sales were declining unless you pick up the data and start, because the answers you need are hidden within the data. But if you don't ask the data questions, like if you don't explore the data, you won't be able to get the answers you're looking for. So that's where data science come in, where you study the data to extract this information, and this information can now help you make predictions, make you understand, analyze the business needs and how it can help the business. Data science is a multidisciplinary approach. So you combine different things. So you can't say I know XYZ, then I'm a data scientist. It's a combination of different things. There is mathematics. I know a lot of people are when they hear of mathematics, they try to run away. You can't do without it, but at the same time, you don't need complex mathematics. Yet, so knowledge of mathematics is good, but at least the basic mathematics is very important. I tell people, if you know how to calculate the money in your bank account, or you go make a purchase and you know how much to give and how much to receive, at least that's good enough mathematics. You also need statistics. You want to understand what's a mean, what's a median, measures of central tendencies, measures of variability. Those are some important concepts you need. Then also machine learning. You need knowledge of machine learning. You need knowledge of artificial intelligence. You need computer engineering, that's programming, and also very key domain knowledge. Whatever you do, domain knowledge is very important. If you want to analyze, for example, you want to analyze well production, you need to understand the production engineering, for example, or reservoir engineering, to understand what do I want to see. So you can pick up any data. It could be medical data, build some meaningful charts. Sometimes if you don't understand the domain, some of those charts may not make sense and you may not be able to bring out all the information you need on that chart, except you have that background knowledge. So that's why domain knowledge is very important in data analysis or data science.